briefly demonstrate how to use a digital experiment in which we have a tank filled with a 50-50 mixture of N-pentane and N-hexane, and then we're going to flow nitrogen through the tank. Let's look at the figure. Let me point out that this simulation is located in the LearnChemE site, and here's the link to the simulation. So the idea is that nitrogen, we open this valve. We have a fixed flow rate of nitrogen. We open this valve, it'll flow through the tank. And so what's going to be leaving the tank, we're assuming vapor-liquid equilibrium. So flowing out will be nitrogen that contains both N-hexane and N-pentane. Make these measurements at a few temperatures. So we can turn on the heater and we can adjust the temperature. This shows 15 degrees. The temperature range is limited between 15 and 25 degrees to make the rates reasonable. And we have enough time for vapor-liquid equilibrium. And what we're going to measure is how the height of the tank changes as a function of time. And then we can do calculation using Raoult's law and mass balances to determine composition and how much is leaving as a function of time. So here's the simulation, and if we change the temperature setting, then we can, let's make the 20, and then we turn on the heater, and it's up to 20. If we open the valve to the tank and then open this valve below, then we'll see we're bubbling nitrogen through, and going to the vent, of course, it's the nitrogen plus the hydrocarbon mixture, and you can see now that the level of liquid in the tank is decreasing. Now, time is accelerated in this simulation compared to the physical system just to make it possible to carry out the experiment in a reasonable amount of time. The simulation has directions that explain a little more about how to carry this out, and it has a detailed worksheet that is a PDF file you can download and explains what measurements to make and what analysis to do. And if you want to start over, you can hit this reset button. You'll notice down here, this is an AI assistant that is on all of the pages on LearnChemE. So the idea is better understand vapor-liquid equilibrium and mass balances using this digital experiment.